Hello, I'm Alexis Ashworth, the founder and CEO of Root in Nature. Root in Nature is a therapeutic horticulture training and resource hub, helping companies like yours bring the healing power of nature into your program. We offer therapeutic horticulture training, as well as ongoing access to resources, session plans, activities, and support. We have different size package options, allowing you to choose the right fit based on your team size. Every package includes access to our virtual, self-paced Intro to Therapeutic Horticulture course, both our standard version and our version for children and youth. This course not only provides your team with professional development, but they will finish the course with a certificate and digital badge as a therapeutic horticulture ally, as well as pre-approved credentials from NCTRC and TRO. Each package also includes access to the Growth Network, Grow Therapeutic Horticulture, our professional resource and support platform with an ever-expanding database of therapeutic horticulture activities, as well as a vast resource library with ready-made session plans, assessment forms, intake forms, and more. We also include turnover protection, allowing you to replace and train new team members as they come in. Now I want to show you how to navigate the interface on your end once you purchase your package. Once you input your user information, you'll be able to access your account through the Members Only tab on our website. If you click Subscriptions, you can see your membership. On the right, you'll see a button called Sub-Accounts. Here you can add or remove sub-accounts. You can either add your team members manually by clicking Add Sub-Account or share the sign-up link with your team to save time. The link will take your employees to set up their individual accounts. Once your sub-accounts are added, you'll be able to see them in this table. Once you add a user as a sub-account, the onboarding from Root in Nature begins with a series of tailored emails that introduce your team to the program and what to expect. The first email introduces your team members to the Intro to Therapeutic Horticulture course and how to access it. Next, we'll send your team members a 13-minute information session video to guide them through the Growth Network and highlight key features and resources. We'll also guide your team on how to access and utilize the 12 session plans that are included in your package, making it easy to apply what they learn right away. To support your marketing efforts, we will provide a comprehensive promotional package, including customizable templates for social media, a press release, and a digital badge to highlight your team's training program. Use this digital badge across your platforms to highlight your commitment to wellness through nature. I'm always happy to connect, so if you'd like to discuss this directly with me or have any questions at all, please feel free to schedule a meeting with me using the Book a Demo button or email me. I'd be pleased to review how we can bring this powerful therapeutic modality to your workplace.